Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this cute mini zipper pouch charm. It's really easy to make even if you're a beginner. So stay with me until the end and create one for yourself. You can use it as a charm and keep a small item inside, like your AirPods, keys, lip gloss, cash, accessory and more. So let's get started. We'll need 3 pieces measuring 18 by 14 centimeters, one for the main fabric, one for the fusible interfacing, and one for the lining. Also need a 15 centimeter zipper and a keychain clip. And 2 pieces of lace trim, each measuring 9 centimeters. We'll need 3 pieces measuring 9, 9, and 8 centimeters. You can also make your own base tab using fabric. First, press the interfacing onto the right side of the main fabric. Now, let's start assembling the zipper. Place the main fabric right side up. Then place the zipper face down. Clip everything together. And finally, place the lining fabric face down. You can use a zipper foot for this step. Flip the layers right side out and press the seams. Sew the lace trim in place just like I'm showing you here. Put the zipper slider back on. Turn the pouch right side out and position it so the zipper center. Then clip everything in place. Sew the 8 centimeter piece of bicep. Position it on this part of the pouch and sew it in place. Place the other piece of base tab on both sides of the pouch and clip them. Then take it to your sewing machine and sew them in place. Make sure to leave the zipper open while sewing. This will make it much easier to turn the pouch right side out. And that's it. See how easy that was to make? Now I'll just attach the keychain clip and we're all done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more.